If you're looking to support some Black-owned businesses, this is where to spend your money. And don't worry about earning any bunnies. Bars.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl T.
And I'm Monica.
And today we are trying vegan beauty products from some Black-owned brands.
Yes, and I wasn't sure what it meant to be vegan with makeup, but apparently it's when your product has not been tested on any animals.
And when it doesn't contain any animal products like carmine.
What is that?
It's a pigment made from crushed up dead bugs.
Oh, I wonder how many dead bugs I've eaten over the years. Probably a lot.
Probably. All right, what's up first?
Face masks.
I love me some skincare.
So first we're trying a superfood face mask from Gold.
I haven't so much as looked at a vegetable since holiday 2019.
Apply a teaspoon.
That was probably too much.
You can just add more powder, it's fine.
That was probably too much.
Gonna give it a stir. This smells good, but it is reminiscent of the time I had bad ramen and got very sick.
It's serving me baby puke type of teas, a little bit. Ooh, very cooling.
Ooh, it is cool. Wow. You can get them in a pack of 2 for $60 or individually for $30.
Well, I will say it feels really cooling to the skin, so I like it so far.
My skin is cool as a cucumber.
This is not the way to remove a mask, friends.
You need to be a Neutrogena ad to get this off. We need to sync, we'll be back. Neutrogena clean.
I feel like we both look a little red.
And also my face is really hot.
My skin feels a little parched, a little tight.
I agree, I feel like something has been sucked out, which is a good thing. It's also soft.
Plush, but a little parched. Overall, I could kind of go either way, but for the price, I'm gonna say it's a no for me, dog.
Yeah, I kind of agree. It's a nice mask, it smells good, but I feel like I have masks that I like that aren't as messy for a similar price, but they're just not as messy and easier to work with.
Good thing we had foundation lined up next. Let's cover up this redness with this foundation from Oma Beauty. This is the Say What? Which is a weightless, soft matte, hydrating foundation. And again, she's vegan.
Oh wow,
she's runny.
That's so runny.
She's runny.
It's liquid, but very blendable. Wow, that was one drop and I could do probably the whole face.
I gotta say, I'm really liking this finish, and I think I did a pretty good job matching my shade, even though I was on the computer.
Yeah, same. On my hand, it was too light, but I feel like on my face, it's pretty accurate. You got us, Oma.
Yeah.
We were like, this is runny. And then they were like,
just wait.
I feel like the coverage is there, and it looks like skin, and that's what I look for in a foundation. Not so bad? Send help. So the Say What foundation is $39. What do you think of that price?
I think it's worth it. I barely used any of it. What do you think?
I agree. I think $39 is definitely in the high-end range of foundation prices, but it's good value for money because I used less than a pump and I got this entire part of my face done.
Usually for me, when a foundation says it's hydrating, it's way too satin, but this is perfect. All right, let's see how this foundation plays with some setting powder. We're gonna try the Beauty Bakery Face Flour Baking Powder and say that 5 times fast.
I feel like they were trying to sabotage you with that name.
Woo, I'm ready for a nap. Ooh, oh my God, I wanna eat it. Don't eat it.
Don't do it.
Don't eat it.
Pat out any creasing before I seal them in place forever with powder. There we go.
Speak now or forever hold your crease.
Buzzing! She'll be here all week, folks.
Hey!
This might have deepened my foundation.
Oh my God, you're right, it's getting darker.
I find that on both of us it looks kind of splotchy.
I'm looking kind of roasted.
Honey roasted. I feel like it at least doesn't look dry on you.
You don't look dry either. No one looks dry here, okay?
I think this powder might just be a little heavier than what I typically go for.
If you're gonna use this, you need to use the brush, not the sponge. Also, don't eat it.
Even though it looks edible.
So we've baked, we saw. It's time for some Fenty.
I've been hearing about this all over the social medias. This is the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara.
Supposedly this mascara does everything. Elongates your lashes, but also makes them really thick. And the flat side is supposed to be really good for your lower lashes, which I can never reach. Oh.
Ah, that sound. I really feel like this brush is ideal for me.
Yeah, this is great.
I've never really been able to get into the roots of my lashes quite so well.
I feel like I'm wearing false lashes and I just started.
I feel like I'm wearing false lashes because I am. This is nice and true dark black, so it's making my lashes blend really well.
Wow, that's just one coat. That's just one.
Whoa! This is your mascara.
That
This
lash
is-
has multiplied.
As far as my final verdict, she's a banger.
They're so full.
Right? Like it added so much volume and depth of color, just like the darkness, which is what I want. The blacker, the better.
And I think that's great for blending false lashes too. Wow.
We got some good winners today, but let's see what's next.
How can it get better? Last but certainly not least, we have the vegan lipstick by the Lip Bar, which some of you may have seen on Shark Tank 5 years ago. It didn't go well.
The color I have is Merlot.
Ooh, I've got Purple Rain.
Don't sing it, we didn't clear it. These retail for $13 and I've even seen them at Target, so they're pretty accessible.
So take that, Shark Tank. Ooh, that's a color for grown-ups. Unlike this one. Oh boy.
I'm noticing that it almost melts on contact. It seems like there's a lot of oils in here, which is good.
I'm pretty particular about pigmentation and coverage because my lips are kind of scarred, so it takes a lot to like actually evenly cover them. And this is a little sheer.
My top lip is darker than my bottom lip, so I would say that this one's good for pigmentation. That one looks a bit more sheer. Not bad.
It's a cream lipstick. This is about what I was expecting.
I'm impressed with how much color is still, like it looks the same.
Yeah, maybe like throughout the day, you're gonna have to touch this up. It's the $13 cream lipstick. Let's be realistic, people, okay?
Let's be real lipstick. Very impressed overall with this lipstick, but it depends on the shade.
Yes, it does. All right, all our products. What did you think of the gold superfood mask?
Love the simplicity of the ingredients, love that powder to gel texture. I think it's a little expensive for me, but if you're balling out, I say go for it.
It felt really healthy, just a little expensive.
Yeah. Next up, we have the Oma Beauty Say What foundation. What did you think?
Say what? I need it always. Oh my God, this is like what I'm gonna probably wear every day now.
I think this is my new favorite foundation.
Yeah.
It looks like I don't even have makeup on, but I just look better than I look. Let's talk about the flower setting powder from Beauty Bakery. What's the verdict?
I don't know, it's not as smoothing as I'm used to my powders being. You actually have to go a little lighter than you think if you're gonna try this one. What do you think?
I love that they have this variety and depth of shades. I just think we both kind of had the wrong shades, and I think a light application is key.
All right, the Fenty mascara.
Your lashes, just your natural lashes, amazing gains. Blending my lashes with the falsies.
And
I've
your
got
lower
on.
lashes.
Chef's kiss.
The black, the fat to flat. Oh my God, I never thought I would enjoy something called that, but I do.
Last but not least, we have our lipsticks, the vegan lipsticks from the Lip Bar.
I mean, it is a cheaper lipstick, so like you're gonna get what you pay for more or less, but the color is really there. Like that Merlot, the pigment, what do you think?
I love this shade and I love how it feels. It feels like I have on a lip balm. Well, we tried a bunch of stuff, all from Black-owned businesses, all vegan, and I gotta say, we found some serious bangers. I'm very proud.
Yeah, if you're looking to support some Black-owned businesses, this is where to spend your money. And don't worry about hurting any bunnies.
Bars.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'm Monica.
And I'm T.
Please like and subscribe for more videos.